It's been so long since it's been this humid when we've been camping. So this is like the hottest camping we've done in quite a while.
Did you know that this is a two-seater?
Okay, so this place is huge.
I'm excited, but I'm also a little jealous. Department of Transportation, if you ever see this video, thank you.
Doors open. Oh! We're in Auburn, Alabama at Auburn RV Park, and we're doing what we kind of call a throwaway stay. And that's when we stay like one night at a place when we're in between reservations, or if we just need a place to crash. So we decided to stay here. And stays like this actually turn out to be really nice because we don't have a lot of stuff to do, we just need a place to stay, and we ended up enjoying these stays a lot. We're staying here just one night. We're actually rolling out this morning, heading south. We're gonna share that more with you guys later, but for now, we're just gonna get packed up. And I just wanted to mention that we had one of our followers mention that if we're staying one night and just need to drip our gray tanks, to do this setup. And this is just our flush hose running to the septic, and then we have a cover for our black tank that has a nozzle that you can attach a hose to, and we're just trickling our gray water, and that's worked out really well. We're rolling out here today, heading south to a brand new RV park. We're gonna spend a week with Steph's family, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. And we're hitting the road.
Rest area break.
So utilize your rest areas when you're on the road traveling with your camper, taking a break, checking the route, checking your fuel situation, just taking that extra few minutes and stopping and taking a break.
And eating.
And eating something. So rest areas, if you're on the interstate especially, they're usually every 150 miles or so, depending on where you are.
Depending on the state. Some states are great about rest areas and some interstates are great, and some they're few and far between. But then you have to get creative.
Yeah.
And we often do like loves or pilots and stuff. Even if we're not stopping for fuel, if we need to take a break, we know that we can get in there with the camper without doing too much research if we can't find a rest area.
It's just a great chance to take a break and relax a little bit.
Husa.
And sometimes you can even find rest areas that have dump stations. Mm-hmm. Georgia has like the best rest areas.
We haven't visited every state, but Georgia definitely has really good ones.
We're in Alabama, but I just wanted to give a shout out to Georgia for having great rest areas.
Georgia, Department of Transportation, if you ever see this video, thank you. Even if it's not a long drive day, we always stop. Today's only 4 hours. We're about halfway there. We're stopping, we're stretching our legs. You don't have to rush. These trips should never make you feel rushed. Take your time, get a snack, use the bathroom so you don't show up and try to like unhook and be like, I gotta go to the bathroom and I'm hungry.
Your
and
bathroom's behind you. I mean, you might as well use it.
All right, I do have an important question for you. Is it peanut butter and jelly, peanut butter and honey, or peanut butter and banana? Mike is a traditional peanut butter and jelly fan. I'm a peanut butter and honey fan, but today I'm doing peanut butter and banana, which is like my go-to breakfast if we're not fasting. Which is best? Which is the best sandwich? Another good thing about stopping at rest areas and taking your time is you can kind of reevaluate the route, because we looked at the first half of this route and knew we were good, and then now we're like, maybe we'll readjust where we're going this afternoon.
So we started using this app. We talked a little bit about it before. It's RV Trip Wizard, and then they have an app called
RV
Life,
Yeah.
and it'll show you GPS directions. Now, 100% honest, I haven't been really impressed with the GPS system, but we have been using it to plan out our routes. So we stopped and I got this punched in to make sure that the route that we're on is an RV safe route, and it looks like it's going to take us a little bit of a different way.
You punch in your height of your camper, your width, your weight, everything, so that it can like eliminate bridges that you can't get through or tunnels on the route, stuff that Google Maps doesn't really think of because it's not like RV specific. So, but the GPS function on it, we don't love because it lags. There's like a delay on it. So if you're like, oh, I'm coming up on a turn, you're like, oh, I just passed the turn. So usually if we're really concerned about the route, we use both apps at the same time, or I do because I'm navigating and Mike's driving.
Stop here.
For check-in. Okay. I guess you just park and we walk somewhere.
That's so weird. There's no signs at the entrance.
This is a brand new RV park, like I think just opened this spring, and not all of it's open yet.
We are being escorted. That's how you know you're at a nice RV park. Sometimes.
Sometimes it's the smaller ones. Hey, we've got escorted by golf cart at Boondockers Welcome, at Harvest Host. Like,
that's true. That is true. That's a sign of good company, at least,
there
right?
You go. Yep, keep coming to your left if you can. And that's good. Well, we're definitely right on the interstate.
Yeah, it's kind of noisy.
A little noisy, but I'm sure we won't be spending that much time at the camper. We're gonna get all set up here. We have a window in the rain. It worked out just the way I was hoping. So we're gonna get set up and then go hang out with my parents, who we haven't seen in forever. You know that we love our camper. We say it all the time. We have an Imagine 2600 RV. We love it. It's perfect for us. But we're on vacation with my family and we're getting ready to go to the beach for the day. And my parents are like, what if we just take our camper with us? We'll have our bathroom, our kitchen, we'll have everything we want with us at the beach. How cool is that? They have a Class C. We did a video kind of comparing our camper and theirs. If you haven't seen it, it's up here. So we're just gonna drive the camper to the beach. How cool would it be to have your own fridge, your own bathroom? If you wanna just go sit in the AC and hang out and watch TV, it's all right there. So I'm excited, but I'm also a little jealous.
Is this the best way to go to the beach?
This is absolutely the best way to go to the beach.
Just bring your camper with you?
Yes. Bring your own bathroom and your own kitchen and all your own food.
Everything you do, no one does you like you do you.
Look at that cool guy.
You could make a sunrise jealous, 'cause I saw the light and I seen the truth.